Imagine a white picket fence made of 7 planks. This is your scale. In standard music, we always start at the first plank, but what if we shifted our perspective? What if the front gate moved? Modes are simply the same backyard viewed from a different corner. You aren't changing the notes, you are changing the home base. Think of the C major scale as pure white light. As we shift our starting point, we pass that light through a prism. Even though we are using the same exact white keys, the mood shifts by arranging the notes in a different order. In Lydian, we raise the 4th degree. It's like adding a helium balloon to the scale. It feels floaty, ethereal, and cinematic. The Ionian scale is the true north. It is balanced and familiar. It's our major scale. And on the Mixolydian mode, we drop the 7th. The leading edge is blunted. It feels like a sunset, warm, bluesy, and less urgent. Now the gravity pulls harder. We move into the minor territory. Dorian is the cool minor. By raising the 6th note, we add a ray of light to a dark room. It's sophisticated and jazzy. The Aeolian mode is in fact our minor scale. The sound feels grounded, somber, and inevitable. And for the Phrygian, we flatten the 2nd note. Now the gravity is heavy. It's dark, exotic, and tense. And then there's Locrian. It's the glitch in the matrix. Because the 5th note is flattened, it feels unstable, like walking on a tightrope that's vibrating. It doesn't want to rest, it wants to resolve. So why does this matter? Because music isn't just a series of notes, it's a spectrum of emotion. If you stay only in major or minor, you're painting with only 2 colors, and by understanding how each mode sounds, you unlock the full rainbow. Thank you for watching, and until next time.